Hi students, I will explain the concept of data structures. First we have to know what is data structure. Data structure is two words. So first we know what is data and what is structure. What is data first? Any raw fact is known as data. Anything is known as data. For example, if you are taking any value like 1 is a data. If you are taking anything like AA is also a data. So anything, whatever you type through computer, through keyboard, that is called as data. So what is structure? What is structure means systematic arrangement of data is known as structure. After collecting all the data, if you are keeping everything in a proper order, that is called as structure. So what is the meaning of data structure is the collection of data in a systematic arrangement is known as data structure. In data, there are two types of data are there. One is atomic data and second one is composite data. One is atomic data and second one is composite data. So what is atomic data? What is atomic data means any data is not possible to divide it into subparts is called as atomic data. So what is atomic data means it is not divided into subparts. Unique data, only one single part is known as atomic data. So what is composite data? What is composite data means it is possible to divide it into subparts. It is possible to divide it into subparts. That is called as composite data. Now I will give the example for atomic data. If we are taking anything like serial number, if you are enter serial number 1, it is not possible to divide it into subparts. So it is called as atomic data. If you are taking hall ticket number, for example, it takes some number like 1080, 19, 467 like 001. So what is this means? It is represented like college code. The 19 is represented like year, which year you are studying. 467, what is this means? It is represented like section, not section. It is represented as batch, like MPCS, MSCS like this. What is this one means? One is your roll number. So one hall ticket number is divided into different parts. So when total is known as data. Whenever one data is divided into so many parts, it is called as composite data. So in the data structure, first word I think it is clear. So what is data? What is data means anything is known as data. How many types of data we have means there are two types of data. One is atomic data, second one is composite data. What is atomic data? Atomic data is a data. It is not possible to divide it into subparts. For example, S name. In the S name, if you are divided into Rama, what is your name is? Name is Rama. So then it is not possible to divide it. So it is called as atomic data. If you are giving any initial like K dot Rama. What is K means? K is divided into first name and Rama is divided into second name. Then it is called as composite data. So what is composite data means? It is divided into subparts is called as composite data. So after collecting all the data, it is everything is after collecting all the data, everything is arranged in a proper format is known as data structure.